Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. I just wanted to go ahead and post a video here as this is going to be the start of a project that is going to allow me to redesign my layout in such a way that I can have two main lines. So what you're looking at here is the last version of the track plan before I decided to build the layout. And I've had the layout for almost 4 years now, so I've been working on it. And I was about to the point of getting to start adding final scenery, like trees and finishing up the ground cover, permanently placing buildings and all that stuff. But I decided that one thing that I really like to do was to be able to run trains continuously while also doing switching. And with the way that the layout's configured currently, I can only do one or the other. It's a single track mainline. It has lots of switching opportunities on it, as I think if you've watched any of my previous videos, you would see. So I'm going to show you on this track plan here what I intend to change to go to a double track. So luckily, the way that the layout was built, and over in this section right here, if you remember, there is a turnout here, and there is a siding, I guess I'll call it a siding, that comes down and then reconnects with the layout here. So and that length there, I don't know, it's probably about 6 feet maybe. Then these two buildings are not here. This little siding is not here. And again, this was the final track plan that, as we all know, plans are meant to be changed, right? So back on this side, close to the wall, there is an opportunity for a double track there. And if you recall here, and this is where my farm scene is, there's a turnout there that then connects to the yard lead. It comes across the lift out and it runs down next to my yard tracks, and then it rejoins the main line back here, just behind the town that I have. So what I'd like to do is turn this into a double track main. And my plan is to take this turnout here, take that turnout out, and run this yard lead essentially down here and connect it to the main line, existing main line. Then take this piece in the back, let it continue around and have it connect with that 6-foot siding that's there currently. It would continue around here. I would remove the turnout that's here and then run this main line around and connect here. And then this line would continue here and connect there with the yard lead. So the majority of the layout is currently double tracked. From here to here is double track, and from this point to this point is essentially double track. So by removing some turnouts and adding some more track in, I can essentially convert to a double track main. And what I'll do back here is I'll put a crossover in this area to allow me to move trains from one track to another, and to get into the yard and such. So nothing over here by the yard is going to change. Nothing here on the lumber area is going to change, and this area won't change either. I'll have to remove some turnouts and maybe shorten some of these sidings that are in this area. And then also where the lumber yard connects, I'm going to have to move this turnout back so it connects with the inside main instead of the outside main as it's pictured here. So I'll lose a few turnouts, which is not necessarily a bad thing. um, you know, thing like this turnout here, and there are actually two turnouts right in here. I'll be losing that one as well. Uh, the turnouts that connect this little siding to the main line, I can take them out, and in combination with the two that I'm gaining here, actually create the crossover. So I'm looking forward to making the change. I'm going to try and start here this week to do that. So that's really what my objective is for the next few months, is to go ahead and make that change. I want to make sure that all of my track work is bulletproof, so I don't have to worry about derailments and that kind of thing. I'm very pleased with the layout right now, the way it operates. The track is in just perfection as far as running trains, so I don't have any derailments at all. I do have all the track that I need. I'm going to be using Atlas Code 83 track for this, which the whole layout's Code 83. And so anyhow, beginning to ramble, but that's the plan, and I hope you'll stay with me as I go through making these changes, and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's not going to be a disaster, but I think it should be a lot of fun. And once it's complete, I'll be able to run trains continuously on the outside main, while I am able to switch all of my industries from the inside, and I'll call it inside main. The only industries that will still be on the outside would be my STP oil and fuels here, and I have a Purina feeds location right here. So those two industries will still be on the outside main, but everything else will come off the inside. So looking forward to it. Hope you'll stay with me. Talk to you soon.